Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. In this session, I am going to share with you all about the new courses which are the upcoming courses through NPTEL. So the people who are aware about the SWAYAM, they can easily correlate what are NPTEL courses. So these courses are the courses which are going to come for the July to December 2021 session. So I'm going to discuss in detail what are these courses all about, what is the duration and how you can complete these courses. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. My dear students, you can see that these are the NPTEL new tentative list for the new courses from July to December 2021 session. So you can see these courses are starting from July 26 and ending to August 20. So even the exam dates are being mentioned out. So telling you a brief introduction about the SWAM courses. Now SWAM courses is one of the best way of doing courses free of cost completely, and it is an online massive program for taking the free courses. Now the best part about these SWAM courses is that if one wants to learn these courses, they can do it completely free of cost. And if they want to get the certificate, they have to undertake the exam with the nominal fees. Since these examinations are proctored, they take the nominal fees and you get the certificate issued by the SWAYAM. Now, NPTEL basically looks after the technical courses. It is one of the agency, one of the national coordinator. There are 9 coordinators under the SWAYAM platform. So, so NPTEL offers the technology courses to various streams of engineering and technology domain. So when we talk about the pharmacy, what I have found for you people is that there is a course related to the clinical trial. Many people were asking about the new upcoming courses. So the best part is that if you utilize this your time after like giving your examination and pursue a course, you can enroll for this program for the July to December session. The best part is that you can have it completely free of cost, and if you complete this course, then after that you can easily get the certificate by giving the examination. So I'm going to share that course with you all. It falls into the category of multidisciplinary. So here is the list for the multidiscipline. So this was the course which I'm talking about. It is about the current regulatory requirements for conducting the clinical trials in India for investigational new drugs. So my dear students, this course will be helpful for the students for like who are planning to enter into the clinical trials, and those who are planning for the vigilance, because this will give you the updated regulatory requirements. Since the course is completely free of cost, in my next subsequent session, I will be sharing with you how you can avail, how you can register for this course, and it's a very simple way by which you simply have to register and undertake the course. This course duration is 8 weeks, and this course will be starting from August 23. This is the tentative list to October 15. So you can see that it is open for both UG and PG as an elective subject also. So you can easily register for this course. So you can mention this course current regulatory requirements for conducting. Apart from this, you can go through the list, and as per your requirements, as per your interest areas, you can enroll for any of the courses. Like I've seen, there are several good courses in the chemistry domain also. So you can go ahead for that also. So I hope this is really going to help to the students, those who wish to undergo a good quality course and learn new things, build up their CV, and gain knowledge, and by utilizing this lockdown period. And since this is a part-time thing, you can do it as per your flexibility. You can enroll for the program, you learn as per your flexibility, and you can easily get the certificate by paying nominal fees. It is somewhere around 500 rupees, and they fix a date, and the 3 hours time period examination is there, and you have to clear the examination. So it's very simple, but the best part is that the complete program is free of cost. And if you don't want the certificate, you can have learning also, free of cost learning. You just have to enroll and you have to watch through, and you can learn very easily as per your flexibility at your designated location. So like you may be anywhere in India, you can enroll for these programs and have the benefit of these courses. I hope this is really going to help you out. Thank you so much, everyone. If you have still not subscribed to Pharmacypedia, please do like, share, and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content to related to pharmacy. So if you have any query regarding these NPTEL courses, you can just comment in the comment section. I will be further sharing about how you can enroll for this NPTEL program and how it is going to benefit you out. What's the difference between NPTEL and SWAM? So till that time, explore these programs and build up your career. Thank you so much.